Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your system language on the DJI Osmo 360. To change your language, you first have to enter the control center by swiping from the top down. In here, enter the settings option and scroll down until you see language. Right here, tap on it and you'll be able to switch to whatever language you want. After you tap on it, it will immediately change all the settings. If you don't understand what the device is saying, then you can change it, of course, in the same way. By swiping here, you have no interaction with language here, so tap on the settings icon and then scroll down until you see the globe icon on the left, where you'll be able to tap on it and choose the new language. After choosing the new language, you'll be able to exit, and that is it. If this video is helpful to you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.